Good morning, Luna. Good morning, Luna. Good morning, Miss Luna. Good morning, everybody. That is a song that I sing to Luna every day when we wake up. Good morning, everybody. We are just waking up. I thought it would be fun to film a day in my life with Miss Luna. Eric is out of town right now. That's why it is just me and Miss Luna. Normally it's me that's out of town, but this week it is Eric, so thought I would just film a day hanging out with Loons. Luna wakes up every single day. Oh my gosh. Big stretch, Luna, with so much excitement for the new day. Are you ready to go? Are you ready for a new day, Miss Luna? Let's go. Let's get out of bed. Come on, let's go. Oh, or just another big stretch. Let's go, Luna. Come on, off the bed. Good girl. And she immediately found a ball. Look at that. And then every morning, while I'm getting dressed and getting ready to go outside, Luna, of course, grabs her Frisbee and she's ready for her morning session. We'll go out in just a minute, Luna, I promise. I just need to put my shoes on first. Ooh, it rained last night. Since it is raining out today, Luna got a little wet. So we have to dry her off a little bit. Yes, we do. Gotta make sure that we get the paws and all of this fur right here, especially your belly fur, because your belly fur always gets wet when you play outside because it's so long. I don't think Luna really likes being towel dried, but you gotta do it. And then we also use these earth-rated unscented paw wipes on her when her paws get really dirty. Can you give me your paw? Yeah, your paw? Thank you, sweetheart. So I'll use these on her paws and then I'll go back in with the towel and I'll dry the rest of her off. I know, Luna, this is so annoying. You hate this. I don't think I would like this either. But unfortunately, you got 3 more paws that we gotta do, girlfriend. Let's get Luna some fresh water and then we can get her some breakfast. This is Luna's little fridge where we keep all of her food. So this is just some of her unfrozen food and then we keep her frozen food in here. I think she's getting a new box coming in soon. And we do use the farmer's dog for her. This video is not sponsored at all, but we do absolutely love them. We actually used the farmer's dog, I wanna say for about like 6 months-ish before I even reached out to them and asked if they did any partnerships because that's just how much we love them. This right here is the beef recipe. As you can tell, Luna loves this food. She is always wanting it. It's natural, it's healthy, it's good for your dogs. Luna's coat is so healthy now. She's at a really healthy weight. All the good stuff. She has so much energy. Like I said, this video is not sponsored by them, but I do have a link with them that will always be active that if you were on the fence about trying the farmer's dog, this link would give you, I think it's 50% off your first box. I will put it in the description box below. And then just for some extra pizzazz, we do a few squirts of this salmon oil on her food as well. Okay, eat up, Luna. See, she loves it. She immediately wants to eat it. And then this is the salmon oil that we get and put on her food. Look at Luna. She knows what's next. She's looking up there. You are so smart and so funny. So after breakfast every day, oh my gosh, she really is looking up there. She knows what's next. We give Luna a dental chew. These are the ones that we get for her. They're actually at her vet's office, but I was able to find them on Amazon. And then every time we give it to her, we tell her, brush your teeth. And then she takes it and then she runs over to where the carpet is and then she eats it over here. It's the funniest thing. I need to finish getting ready. My hair is an absolute mess, but I'm just gonna throw it up. I'm gonna head to the gym. It's so funny. Every day when we go upstairs, Luna just likes to sit at this door and stare out the window. A lot of times we'll open the door and then she'll still just sit here. She just likes being here. She's got beef with a squirrel that's nearby, and I think they're constantly taunting each other. Quick breakfast for me before I work out. I can't have anything too heavy, so I usually just do a piece of toast. Hi, sweetheart. Are you taking a nap? Hi, baby. I'm back. Here, you want to take my bag? Every day when I come back from the gym, Luna always wants to carry my stuff like the true retriever she is. Hello again, everybody. I am back from the gym now. My workout was good. I had the TV show Bluey on for Luna, but she decided to leave me and go upstairs because I think she just likes it upstairs. So maybe we'll hang out up there today. But Bluey is a TV show that is on Apple TV. No, excuse me, not Apple TV. It's on Disney Plus. Although it might be on some other streaming networks. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's Australian and it's about these dogs that like live all together. It's just about a dog family. I've actually never watched it before. Today's the first day that I put it on for Luna and she was watching it for a little while, but then she randomly decided to go upstairs. So that's fine. But right now, I have a meeting in, oh my gosh, 5 minutes now. I have a meeting with my brand manager in 5 minutes. So I'm about to do that and then cross off some other things on my work to-do list today as well. Hi, how are you doing? Hello, Miss Lisa. Oh, hey, sweetie. Oh, thank you. I gotta get some work done, Liz. Yes, I do. I gotta get some work done, even though you are so cute. You wanna get some work done with me? You gonna help me? It is a rainy day out today, Miss Luna. There's something so nice and calm and peaceful about rainy days, though. After I ate, I have pretty much just been on my laptop this entire time editing and doing some other stuff, and it's taking me a lot longer to get done than I originally anticipated. But I took a little break from that and went outside with Luna. Luna is so funny because when she knows that it's time to go inside, but she doesn't want to, but she's tired from playing Frisbee, she just lays down with her toy. She just lays down with her Frisbee and hangs out. It is currently 4:54 p.m. right now, and I've decided that I'm going to continue working on my laptop until 5:30 p.m. and whatever I get done until then is great, but after that I am just going to have to cut myself off because one of the things that I have talked about this year, which was one of my ends, is a good work-life balance and not stressing myself out, not overwhelming myself, and so I do not want to just be swallowed up in editing today. So I'm gonna work until 5:30 and then I'm going to cut myself off and make dinner. Think I'm gonna find a show to watch now and then make dinner. I think Luna heard dinner and then she perked up. Speaking of food, I think I wanna watch Next Level Chef. I really like cooking shows for some reason, even though I'm not a great cook. I think they're so much fun to watch. It is 6 o'clock now. Luna is eating her dinner. Yep, keep eating, girl. I'm hungry, so I need to make my dinner. And let me tell you, being an adult, it's just something else sometimes because right now I'm looking at this box of Honey Nut Cheerios and thinking I could just eat this for dinner. And obviously nothing wrong with that, but I need something with more substance, like an actual meal, not just a bowl of cereal. So then I was like, well, I could order something in because I'm just really tired and I don't feel like cooking. But then I told myself that no, Julia, you shouldn't do that because you went to the grocery store yesterday and you bought a bunch of stuff to make this week so that way you wouldn't order food. So you need to make sure that your money was well spent and that you actually make the food that you bought and that you don't waste money on that food while also paying for takeout. All right, there we go. Dinner is done. Is this the best dinner I've ever made in my life? Absolutely not, but it gets the job done and it works. And now I'm going to watch this cooking competition show while I eat my air-fried chicken and microwaved rice dinner, and I'm going to hardcore judge these people on the food that they make. Just kidding, I'm not gonna judge, but it is kind of funny watching a cooking show while I eat this. After I watched that TV show and ate dinner, I took a shower, which felt great, and now I'm just hanging out in bed with little Miss Luna. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm gonna lay here and I'm going to read for a little while. Also, whenever I read, I put on one of these stations on YouTube that has like jazz music or rain music and a fireplace. I don't know why I do that, except I just like the ambiance that it provides, and I don't like to read in dead silence, but I don't want music with lyrics in it. So I kind of like just having the relaxing music in the background. So I am going to read for a little while, and then maybe I'll watch another episode of Next Level Chef. Luna is curled up next to me right here. This is usually where Eric sleeps. He's always on this side. A lot of times Luna sleeps in the middle and then I sleep on this side, but it looks like she's on Eric's side tonight. For dessert tonight, I am having a yasso bar. They're like these frozen Greek yogurt bars. They are delicious. And specifically tonight, I am having the cookies and cream flavor. Luna and I just took this selfie and sent it to Eric to say goodnight and that we love him. It's getting kind of late. It's 10:20 p.m. So I think I'm just gonna watch this Next Level Chef show until I fall asleep. Thank you everybody so much for hanging out with Miss Luna and I today. I know this wasn't my normal content, but I don't know, I just thought it would be fun to hang out together today, and I know that you all love Miss Luna, so I hope that you still enjoyed the video. If you did like it, please give me a big thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because I would love to see you in future content. Anyway, yep, I think that is going to wrap it up here. So good night, everybody. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.